Hey, sweetheart.
Hey,
What you doing?
we are in our biggest plaza in Kuşadası. Open plaza like that.
It's called Migros 5M. No.
Yeah.
And they have very interesting, nice shops here.
Food, Starbucks,
Food.
a lot of franchises here.
So it's like our shopping mall here.
LCV Dream. Wow, nice.
Köfteci Yusuf has very nice breakfast over here. They're huge franchise as well. And here's so most of them are fast food places, our local ones. So here's a Burger King. It's a beautiful Burger King, isn't
Burger
it?
or burger?
Burger.
Burger or burger?
How you say?
Burger? I don't know. I'm asking
Burger? I don't know.
you. Some people say burger.
We are both
Burger?
with that accent, so. Isn't it a beautiful Burger King? Let me take a picture.
Yeah.
It's
Most
beautiful.
cute ever. Cutest ever, baby.
It's nice. It's like you have water feature, you
Yeah.
know, and then
Some ducks.
yeah, that's nice.
I got my shoes from this sportive green windows. Was good.
From which one? Ah, this.
Sport shoes.
And the Starbucks. Another Starbucks in Kuşadası.
That's huge here. You know, you walk miles down. You know, this plaza is very big.
Yeah, like you see that little bridge at the end. Like you can actually cross that over to Mado, and there's another.
Let's walk a little bit.
Huh?
You want to walk a little bit? Starbucks here in the corner.
Yeah, it's beautiful Burger King. I love it. It's very nice. I like when they have water features. Makes so picturesque and so vacationy, you know. And then there's the Starbucks here. These sportive windows are like so strange to the eye, like these sunglasses, you know. You know the sunglasses that you have that makes you happy.
Yeah.
It's interesting.
You know, there is one shop here. This one they are renovating them. They are changing. You remember we went to terracotta shop, terracotta factory, like souvenirs he was doing.
Yeah, look, homemade stuff.
Yeah. There is a shop here. They sell his products.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it over there, far away?
Over there, just over there. Oh, look at this donuts. Let's show this.
Donuts this way, toast this way, everything that way. And where do you end up?
This little.
At this cute little shop. This is very nice coffee shop, yeah? What does it say? Yeşilçam.
Yeşilçam. This is like Turkish old movie's name. There was a company, or whatever you call this. They make Turkish movies in old times.
Very nice. It's a very cute shopping center. Now it's pretty empty because it's early in the morning. We just had breakfast here at Köfteci Yusuf.
And some lake passed by in front of middle of this mall plaza.
You mean river? Canal.
River. Canal, yeah.
Lake.
Lake Louise.
Lake Louise in
that-
Alberta, Canada.
That's really
It means.
high when it's raining here. You see?
Baby, but there is no lake. I mean, no river.
You see
No
some?
anything.
There was frogs here last time. Yes.
Like what happened to the stream of water? It's dried
Look,
up.
baby frogs. You see them?
What?
Baby frogs
No, I
in
don't
the
think
water.
I can
Look,
see.
inside the water, millions of them.
I'm sorry, are these baby frogs the
Yes,
little thingies?
yes, they are.
Wow, it's gonna be a lot of
I was catching them when I was kid.
Oh my god, there's a lot.
Yeah.
You have good eyes, you know, to see that kind of thing. I only can see my camera. I need glasses.
Okay, this is Mado here. They have.
Mado is very nice too. It's beautiful. Let me just film from the door a little bit.
Ice creams.
I like this place. They have very big menu actually for with all kinds of dishes and stuff. So look, this is very cute as well. It's a nice place, very romantic looking. They put a lot of greens. And then like everything that they have on a setup is just like very beautiful looking. Like a little bit like a beautiful scrapbook.
Yeah,
You know?
exactly.
Like look at the decor, like how they put all the straws and flowers. Like they really care about the details.
Cheesecakes and all this.
And then here's where you would have your coffee and a nice cake. So Mado is a big franchise as well.
Yeah.
Look at this cute cake.
They're real cakes, you know, not display.
Wow, that's a nice pink one. Yeah, they look very nice to me. What are these? Salep. Oh, pasteurized. Sıcak çikolata. Oh, hot chocolate. Interesting.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Don't bye bye me. What's this? Daily Fresh.
They make
What do they
From-
make?
corn shop.
Corn shop. Ah.
Change office. They sell gold too. And then little corner shop for your kids.
Wow, this is interesting. It's a nice idea to put these wind thingies to attract the customers. This is a nice picture too. This is beautiful. And
Do you
it's-
remember I was telling you about terracottas?
Yeah.
It's here.
All right, let's go in there. So you see this big shopping mall. Like they have toy shops and then more restaurants and more shops and upstairs. And it's like, yeah.
Ne haber?
Oh, your phone's ringing?
Yes, this is the terracotta shop. She's the owner.
Hi, how are you?
And then many interesting things here, like dream catcher, all stuff, you know.
Very nice. See you in Kuşadası.